While cleaning your i5 oven, it is important to use TurboChef oven cleaner. Your kit includes a bottle, trigger sprayer, and cleaning powder packets. Fill the bottle to the fill line with warm water. Pour in 1 packet of cleaning powder and shake thoroughly for 30 seconds. Allow the mixture to sit for 3 minutes before using. Step 1. Cool the oven. Touch the off button to begin the cooling process. The cooling process can take up to 45 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the oven screen says, "Oven off, safe to clean." Step 2. Clean the wire rack. Once the oven has cooled and is safe to clean, remove the wire rack from the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner on the wire rack and gently scrub with a scrub pad. Rinse with cold water and dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 3. Clean the jet plate. Remove the jet plate by unscrewing the thumb screws. Spray oven cleaner on the jet plate and gently scrub with a scrub pad. Rinse with cold water and dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 4. Clean the air filter. Remove the air filter on the back of the oven. Rinse the air filter thoroughly with cold water. Let the air filter dry completely before reinstalling. Replace the air filter if it is deteriorated. Step 5. Clean the grease tray. Remove the chin below the oven door and slide the grease tray out. Clean the grease tray with a clean cloth towel. Step 6. Clean the oven cavity. Remove the baffle in the back of the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner onto a scrub pad to clean the oven interior. Do not spray directly into the back of the oven. Spraying oven cleaner into the back of the oven can damage the catalytic converter. Remove oven cleaner residue with a clean damp cloth. Step 7. Reinstall components. Reinstall the jet plate and tighten the thumb screws without over-tightening. Reinstall the wire rack. Reinstall the air filter in the back of the oven. Slide the grease tray back into place and reattach the chin. Step 8. Clean oven exterior. With a damp cloth towel, wipe down the entire oven exterior, including the top, front, back, sides, door, and door handle. Press the clean icon on the oven screen to lock the screen for 10 seconds, allowing you to clean. Follow these steps daily to ensure the best performance from your i5 oven. Contact your sales representative to order more cleaning supplies.